long-term and short-term securities. The word security is used in different ways. Here in financial management and in investments, the term security is used for a document or a piece of paper that has a monetary value and it is issued by some authority for the purpose of generating funds. A financial instrument that is interchangeable and has a monetary value is how we define a security. And a financial instrument is a part of equity security as well as debt security, debt capital of a company, and these are also tradable. Financial instrument is, in layman's terms, is a piece of paper. It is a certificate which shows a certain value and the name of the issuer and the monetary value that is carried by a person or an investor, and it is held as an investment for a certain period of time, and on which a certain return is also earned. This actually shows the claim of the investor or the person who is holding it on the assets of a company. An investment security may be issued by a government of a country, or it may be issued by an authority, a department of that government, or it may be issued by the corporations which are actually functioning in the economy. इसका मतलब ये है कि सिक्योरिटीज़ मुख्तलिफ तरह की होती हैं, गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज़ और कॉरपोरेट सिक्योरिटीज़. इन दोनों के अपने बेनिफिट्स, रिस्क एंड रिवॉर्ड्स डिफरेंट हैं, जिनको देखकर इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट की जाती है. सिक्योरिटीज़ शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए भी इशू होती हैं. दैट इज़ फॉर अ पीरियड लेस देन 1 year, we call it a short-term security. And one which is issued for more than 1 year is called a long-term security. Stocks and shares are actually part of equity securities. यानी जब शेयर्स इशू किए जाते हैं, जिसको हम स्टॉक्स भी कहते हैं, तो ये हमारी इक्विटी सिक्योरिटीज़ होती हैं. यानी शेयर होल्डर्स इक्विटी ओनरशिप राइट्स देती है उस आदमी को जो शेयर्स खरीदता है या स्टॉक्स खरीदता है. एंड दीज शेयर्स आर एंड स्टॉक्स आर ऑलवेज issued for more than 1 year, so these are long-term securities. Stocks and shares are basically issued and the investment is made for the purpose of return in the form of profit called dividend. Equity securities or shares are of two types: common shares and preferred shares. We'll have more detailed discussions about common and preferred shares in our later modules. Another term which is associated with stocks is the treasury stocks or treasury shares. ये वो शेयर्स हैं जो कि कंपनी अपने ही शेयर्स मार्केट रेट के ऊपर मार्केट से खरीद लेती है. रिमेंबर, दिस इज़ नॉट रिडेम्पशन. ये शेयर्स को खरीद के कैंसिल करना नहीं है, बल्कि इट इज़ द कंपनी होल्डिंग इट्स ओन शेयर्स, which is called treasury stocks. On the other side, related to debts, we have bonds. Bonds is a generic term which is used for all types of debt instrument. Debt instrument क्या है? ये ऐसी सिक्योरिटी या ऐसा फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जो होल्डर को कंपनी के साथ बोरोअर और लेंडर का रिलेशनशिप डेवलप करता है. यानी बॉन्ड होल्डर कंपनी को पैसे देता है उधार, and that is what we call a bond holder is a lender. Similarly, as shares, the bonds are of many types and different names of bonds are there in the market. For example, debentures is also a term which is used. In Pakistan, we have term finance certificates, participation term certificates, sukuk, and there are many other specific names of bonds. Short-term securities are only debt securities. So we cannot have an equity security which is short-term. And the maturity is certainly less than 1 year. Most of the short-term debt securities are not directly accessible to individual investors. And investors have to actually invest in short-term securities through some mutual funds. Some of the examples of securities which are short-term securities are T-bills or treasury bills. These are the bills issued by the government of a country. A promissory note is a note to pay a certain amount to a certain person to whom the note is issued. Certificate of deposit is also a short-term instrument on which we earn some interest over a short period of time. Similarly, banker's acceptance is also a document that gives us a short-term financing, and repos or repurchase agreements are also a part of short-term debt securities.